Welcome to our video about 5 ways to make money with a website. Whether you are a blogger, a small business owner, or just someone looking to earn some extra income, there are a variety of ways to monetize your website. In this video, we will go through 5 of the most popular and effective methods. Advertising. One of the most straightforward ways to make money with a website is through advertising. By placing ads on your website, you can earn money every time someone clicks on an ad. The most popular platform for this is Google AdSense, which allows you to display ads on your website that are relevant to your content. Keep in mind that to make significant revenue through advertising, you need to have a high volume of traffic to your website. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn a commission by promoting other people's products on your website. You can do this by including affiliate links in your content, which redirect visitors to the product's website. If someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. This can be a highly lucrative way to make money, especially if you have a specific niche audience. Sponsored content. Another way to make money with your website is by creating sponsored content. This involves partnering with brands to create content that promotes their products or services. You can create sponsored blog posts, videos, or social media posts. In exchange for promoting their brand, you receive payment or other perks, such as free products or services. Selling digital products. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular area, you can monetize your website by selling digital products. This can include ebooks, online courses, or digital downloads. By creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience, you can establish yourself as an expert and build a loyal following. Once you have a dedicated audience, you can sell your digital products to them and earn a passive income. Offering services. Finally, you can make money with your website by offering services. This can include anything from freelance writing to web design to consulting services. By using your website as a platform to showcase your skills and expertise, you can attract clients and build a profitable business.